What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to send money from TapTap Send to Wise. So, there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now, here's the key thing. TapTap Send and Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, are two different types of money transfer platforms. Now, TapTap Send focuses on mobile wallet transfers, mostly to regions like Africa, Asia, and Latin America, and it's great for sending money quickly and without fees to friends or family using services like MTN, Gcash, Bcash, or etc. So, meaning Wise is designed for sending money directly to bank accounts and it stands out for its low fees, transparent mid-market exchange rates as well, and supports for bank-to-bank transfer across the world. Now, to send money from TapTap Send to Wise is going to be really difficult. So there's no direct transfer options here. Now you can't just send from TapTap Send without you send a TapTap Send account into your Wise account like you would with a bank. Now instead you may want to do other workarounds out there. So, for example, you could use like wallets like Gcash or any supported wallets, and you could just withdraw your funds into your bank account. And in your bank account, just use or connect your bank account into your Wise account in order for you to start using it in your Wise account. But directly speaking, here it's going to be really complicated to transfer your funds. This is just being honest here. To send your TapTap Send funds into your Wise account. But then again, this depends on where you are and what uh, wallet or mobile wallet you currently have right now available. So the steps may vary here. But directly speaking here, there's no direct way that you can send money from TapTap Send to Wise. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.